Retrieval Augmented Generation (RAG) is a powerful technique that enhances language model by combining them with extra knowledge bases. RAG addresses a key limitations of model. Model rely on fixed training dataset, which can lead to outdated or incomplete information. RAG can help you quickly launch LLM applications tailored to your business or customers. To build your knowledge base, you need to collect the important data you want your LLM to access. This data can come from a variety of text-based sources, including PDFs, video transcripts, emails, presentations, slides, and even tabular data from resources such as Wikipedia pages and spreadsheets. RAG also supports multi-model AI solution which combine multiple AI models to process data of any modality, including sound, image, and video. Let's see this diagram where I'm going to access proprietary data set here, and with this data set I'm going to train my model, embedding model. This is gonna store in a vector database and also searching for the same. Finally, I can go here and can see top K relevant documents. This is my prompt or question I'm asking to my model plus context plus LLM. This is going to ingest LLM and going to provide some answer. So this would be the relevant answer here, and I can see this would be the relevant architecture. Okay, let's see the code. In this section, we will discuss a code which will retrieve data from a PDF file. So I'm going to look at the content which is inside my LangChain current environment. So I'll have to check LangChain format. So this would be pip show LangChain. This would be the metadata of my LangChain. Here you can see I'm going to use my LangChain environment. For example, if I'm using another kernel, so this would be environment LLM. I'm going to select, so it's also retrieving my LangChain version. That's already imported here. Let's install relevant files. So relevant libraries are from LangChain community. I'm going to paste it here. This would be PDF loader and copy also. So I need to copy entire PDF file as well. Now I'll have to import my PDF file. So this would be introduction to data science, and this PDF is located in my local PDF also, local Jupyter notebook. Here you can see I have already uploaded this PDF in my local system. So this would be importing there also. Once I have imported this file, let's run this PDF file, and then I try to import this content. So let's run this cell. If it is not giving proper answer or not installed earlier, so whatever code we will use throughout the cell, throughout the project, we will be using this PyPDF. It is not installed, you can install it. I'm not going to run this cell here. Let's load this current PDF here, which we have loader underscore PDF. So I'm going to load this PDF file. Okay, so let's load. Okay, so this is not installed. Here you can see it's throwing an error. So I'll have to install this PyPDF in my environment LLM. So this is now downloading. If you can try to run this cell again, can you see it's not showing any error? Let's run how many number of pages are there in my PDF. I'm going to create a new cell and I'm going to run this pages PDF. So this is including 6 PDF. Let's see how many PDFs do we have and what would be the content of this PDF. Okay, so here I have this file. So this would be PDF. And if you will open this PDF file in a new notebook, can you see this is showing how many pages do we have? We have 6 pages. 1, 2, 3, 4, 6. So it will retrieve all the pages here as well. Okay, now let's see what kind of other parameters we can use. So let's print the content here. So here I'm just printing pages PDF, and let's run this code. Can you see this is showing document? If you will see here, this is showing metadata. Who is the producer? Like this is the producer, who is the creator, what was the date, this was the date it was created, who is the author, more date, modifying dated, and others dated as well. So this is the source name, the name of the file, and total number of pages here as well. So means you can see the entire metadata in a single shot, and this is the content of page number 0. If you go down, you will find somewhere in page number 1 as well. So this would be page number 0, 1, and so on. Let's see what are the other metadata included in this cell. So I'm going to copy a deep copy. Why? I'm going to use this deep copy to clone the pages PDF list. We need a deep copy in this case to avoid overwriting the original file. Okay, so this would be the deep copy pages here. Okay, let's see the first content in this cell. So every page, all the content is just copied in this page PDF cup, and this is just imported there, ingested there. So if you are keen to get started now with this content, you can see this is cut 0. This would be the first content, and this would be the content number 1. If you go up, and you can see this content is also having this page number 0. In this page number 0, we have analysis, analytics, all right, discuss, so obvious, differences. These are some relevant text. If you go down, you can see this is showing analysis versus analytics, all right, so discuss, not so obvious. Everything is divided into relevant content. So this would be the content here, because we want to ingest this part into token. So we have just converted into set of word here. Okay, now I'm going to split this part, and this would be splitting, and this would be join in a single shot. So this is very old, this is not relevant to RAG or this LLM. This is very old code to join any word, any object inside the list in a single string. So that's going to join everything in a single shot. So you can discuss any code here and write the content here, so that we can write that relevant code. So let's find, you can see this is just joining here, and here I can see this would be the page cut also. So in this way we have assigned everything in a of each pages here. So let's see the page content. Here you can see this is the page content of each page now. Okay, if you will try to print value of print I, so you can see this would be I here. So this would be the content here. This is the page content. Okay, so what is the page content? This is now ingredient here. Okay, let's say I'm going to print I-1. So this is not showing because this is just another syntax. Okay, now once I have included all the page content in a single shot, I can see the page tokenizer also. How many tokens do we have in a single page? So I'm going to open this site. Here you can see this site is there, and you can paste this code. Okay, let's copy this code. Here I can see this is my content from page number 1, that is index number 0. So I'm going to copy this code, going to paste it here, and can see this is clearly showing number of tokens 300. Here how many characters are there? 1541. Okay, which means this token is not directly proportional to characters here, you can see. So this is the relevant category as well. Here you can see, and you are being paid, you are being charged based upon this token, not this character. So what kind of data set we are going to ingest in a next model? So this is gonna talk about your progress on your ongoing text, which you will be ingest your GPT, your model, and you will be forwarded with this token only. Okay, so the main point we have covered tokens, not characters. And how would you check this token? Using this site, automatically, manually you can check this code. But how would you check this code? Using the code itself, Python code. You can see here in this text we are going to write this one. Okay, so this is the token number 1, approximately 370 and characters, and cut 0 is also there. Okay, let's see what kind of other tokens are there. You can see also you pick page number 1 ingredient also. This is how we can retrieve the data set from the relevant PDF. And in the next session, next video, we will talk about how you can create a chatbot based upon this PDF, based upon this data set, how we can ask relevant question, how we can context, how we can summarize, how we can get insight out of this data set. So this is the approach of using relevant PDF to extract the relevant output and relevant metadata as well. Thank you. Keep learning, keep growing.